bad knee pain for a while. So I knew I had to get surgery because the year before I had surgery on my left knee. I had it because I lived in South Jersey, had it done there. And I just talked to some of the people because I just moved down there about a little over a year ago. I think I just went to the urgent care, and that's how I got with Dr. Monahan. Easy gal, no pressure, didn't pressure me, no surgery. He said when you feel like it, you knew my situation. You know, I had the other one done the year before, and I had to get this done because it was really starting to bother me pretty big because I was going for injections, and that's why I got an injection. Then that wore off in 3 months, and then I knew I had to get something done. And Dr. Monahan's was really good. He's easy along with. He's a nice guy. Walking, going up steps, I couldn't. Steps was very hard, and it was bad. I mean, it got to the point where I had to get done because I was bone on bone. I needed to get it done. How's it feel now? It feels good. It feels. I recovered this knee better than I did with the other surgery I had a year ago. This wasn't bad at all, and I was doing pretty good. And he was really impressed how well I was doing. I did physical therapy like the day right after the surgery. I went to physical therapy. I didn't do the inpatient in my house because I knew I wouldn't get much out of that. So I went right to it, and I was being pushed pretty good there. And I really came along faster than I did with the other knee up there. Like on the bicycle, like it took me within a week just to start going all the way around. I would say the first week, 2 weeks are always the hardest, but after that, I was doing really good, and pain wasn't that bad at all. I was happy. I'll come back there. I go back there now because I have a little shoulder problem. He takes care of that for me. So I go back and see him now. I would tell him, I went to Dr. Monahan, I found someone who's really good, and I said, he's a young guy, and he's really good. He does a great job. And I told people that already. If they need something, I have somebody who's really good. I recommend him. Yeah. My whole experience was really good.